Hi team, Barb Scully here, bringing to you another PD Tech Tip. So today's tech tip is to help you organize your teams, either at that trimester break, semester break, or your beginning of the school year. So I'm in my Microsoft Teams and I'm going to first create my housekeeping details. And housekeeping details is where I keep my syllabus, my CTSO information, organizational matrix for student success, along with the class times for each class period. So I'm going to go select that 3-dot ellipsis next to where the class name is, select Add Channel, and this is where I'm going to select Housekeeping Details. And along with, I always add fun icons because I think it's important, and along with setting up automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. That's really important so that way students aren't hunting and pecking and having to select show or anything like that. So now I have my new channel, Housekeeping Details, added. Now I'm going to select the new conversation, change it to announcements, and this is where, because I'm just copying and pasting from a previous class, I'm able to add it. And then housekeeping details, because it's really important to stay consistent. If you have your channel name, a certain name, you want it to be consistent inside that channel as well. Now I'm going to select my banner. I'm going to upload an image, and you guys all now have access to my team's announcement banners inside our collaborative tile. So I'm going to go to my welcome, and here I have my housekeeping details welcome banner. So my fun little Bitmoji. Select done. Now students have access to my syllabus, the organizational matrix, meet the teacher, remind class code, how to join that, and our leadership expectations for my class, along with when our class time is, and Thursdays we have a shorter class period, just by a few minutes. And then again, this is my systems for setting up my channels, and because I try to stay organized, and I like to keep students in mind when designing my teams. So I'm going to select Add Channel, and when I say keep students in mind, that sounds wrong or rude that you don't, which I hope you know that I'm not implying that. So I'm going to select week 1. And this is how I set things up, so that way my channel, it populates in order. So March 16th through the 18th. And again, automatically show this channel in everyone's list. I'm going to add. And I'm just going to show you, just by doing this, add channel again, when I say week _02, March 21st through the 25th, it automatically goes in order because it is following, everything is the same from week 01 to week 02. So, which is really nice. But I'm going back to week 01. I'm going to select new conversation again, drop down to that capital A with that pen for format, go up to where it says new conversation, hit that drop down, announcement. Now I'm going to go upload, because again, you guys all have access to my banners in our collaborative Teams tile. Select March, and I'm going to select welcome, because this was when we came together for a new trimester. And now, again, this is just how I do things. If you have a different system and process that works for you, awesome. Stick with what works best for you. But this is my process. So I have I'm just copying and pasting everything from a previous tile that I have, just to make this go quickly and easier. So I have my weekly agenda, and the weekly agenda stays consistent throughout the entire trimester. I'm welcoming students. I always have my objective or your learning target for what they are doing that week, or maybe it's a longer project that they're doing, and their success criteria. How will they know that they are successful? And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I always break everything down by the day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, and just by showing, I want to show you, this is what I have, exactly how I break things down. I have my weekly agenda, my learning target, my success criteria, exactly what we are doing each day. Monday, we watched these 4 videos. Tuesday, 2 videos. Wednesday, 2 videos. So forth. Students have access to our PowerPoint, because right now they are working on historical housing for this Interior Design 2 class, and what the quiz is and the project leading up to it. So there's a lot of front end or back end information that I am front loading for my teams, but it just makes things so much easier throughout the entire week. I can walk in not knowing what I'm doing at all, and yet I have everything all populated. So as you can see, I have my housekeeping details. I'm in a different teams now. So housekeeping details is the same, and I've broken it down every single week. So now students have access to all of this information. And learning targets, success criteria, Monday through Friday. Everybody has all of the information that they're going to be doing, and I release the information, their assignments, on the day and at what time. So I don't post anything ahead of time. So again, I'm just showing you how I have everything laid out. I find this to be kind of a best practice. This is what has worked for me throughout our COVID learning experiences, and to how I'm trying to set all of my students up for success. And I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. You know how to reach me. Happy learning.